Okay, I'm gonna play slow. Lock in.
One thing, don't die. Bro, I only ask you one.
Run and gun, bro. It's Call of Duty.
Jungle.
Damn, bro, no scope.
No scope. Yes, I top frag. Thank God. That's all I was trying to do.
Why are you gay?
If you die, you're gay. Fuck. Huh? Well, at least we dropped the bomb,
If you
you
die,
know?
you're gay.
Instantly.
Instantly.
You know what is hard?
City side. We're cooked.
No. This city is... Bro, let's go B together. And
On the
close it.
beach. Oh,
5-7.
bro.
You need to click head first, bro. That's
Bro
what
lost
you need
13% of his health on that jump.
to. Yep.
What?
I mean, yes, actually lost it because I have a dog when I was a kid, and they send it to a farm, but not to kill it. They just send it to my father's
He's at the farm.
friend house.
Yeah.
No, and the freaking dog, before arriving to the house, he jumped from the car and disappeared forever.
What the fuck? Never mind, I'm geeking. Oh, it is me.
I got it. Look at this shit, bro.
He's not close.
Bite him, and come back.
Bye.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro. You have gank,
Oh,
bro.
connector! They're out. There's two there. One more. He's already out.
Oh, one monster. He's going back.
Oh.
Oh, my go from. What? Oh my fucking god, bro.
Oh, you opening a case?
Yes, sir.
Wait, let me do it too. Alright. You go first.
Let me
you
go
go first.
marketplace here. Game
Just open-
servers. Night terror. Okay, let's see.
I want that Deagle, bro.
Oof. Fire. It's fire, bro. Look at this.
This is what I need, okay?
Alright. If you get a knife, it don't work. We need the deal.
Yeah, no, I want the Deagle.
No! Fuck!
Are you
It's
fucking
Star Trek!
kidding me?
Bro,
Yeah, but
it's
it's
a Star
shitty ass
Trek.
condition.
Who cares? It's a Star Trek, bro. That works. God damn, bro. That was so close.
Planking up.
One's orange, purple. Free kill for you. I just
Oh, yeah.
Oh, last one is hot as fuck, man.
Spot dog,
Sucking
one bullet.
fucking fuck.
I'm super low.
He's one piece.
He's Evolve.
Fuck. What the fuck was this game, bro?
This game
GG's. Thanks for the carry, lads.
Shit, 24 kills. Oh,
still-
Super 2, baby!
I'm still in Silver Elite Master, bro. Fuck me.
Yeah, silver 2.